Hello everybody, in this video I want to share with you what true success is. You see, the true success is to be able to see the situation as God sees it. To be able to respond to a situation as God would. To be able to look at the person in the same way that God does. To be able to respond to a situation in a way that God does. Oh, I already said that. Anyway, that does not mean that you have to diminish your humanness. Okay, oh my God, how do I see like God sees that? It's a practice. We went through so much in our childhood, so much pain, so much of trauma that we disconnected from our divinity. So connecting back to our divinity, it's a practice. You don't have to just jump there, but that should be the goal in the mind. That should you like when you dive deep into prayers, this is what your prayer is going to be like God, I want to see this situation as you see it. I want to respond to this conflict as you would. You wanna, when you meet people, because we went through so much of pain, so much of trauma, and that happened with people like in our childhood. Up there, maybe someone sexually abused us. That was a human being. Now we hate human beings. Maybe some human was bullying us, humiliating us. Now that's a human being. Now we have this like human beings are bad. We look at people in a very scary way. We assume worsts about them, and we hold the very false narrative of them. And I'm not saying this is not, I'm saying all this to make you criticize yourself. No, be kind to yourself. There is a reason why you would assume certain things about people. There's a reason for that. Okay, you went through something really hard, that's why. But then our true success is to be able to see the situation as God would, to be able to respond to a situation as God would. And do not take it as like, okay, how I'm a human. Yes, that's why you gotta forgive yourself. Anytime that you don't, you act out of emotion, anytime you shout out of anger, or you anytime there is some what do we say, not so integrous behavior you participate in those moments you gotta forgive yourself, because that's what God would do. When God would see you, because God sees like, okay, how much you went through and you're still here, you're still trying your best, and there will be an understanding like, okay, you are acting this way because you went through it. Maybe you are not aware of it, but God will see you like that and forgive you. So you gotta forgive yourself for all the times that you acted out of integrity, all the time you did something which was not so good, all the time you hurt people unconsciously or consciously. You gotta forgive yourself. And this is just a very short video I wanted to make to be able to remind you what true success is going to be. That does not mean that okay, so should I not go for my dream, should I not have financial goals, should I not have money goals. You know what, when you are building that connection with God, with the universe, and when you are like learning to love yourself and all of that, God's going to inspire you. You will be that there will be an inspiring energy that comes from God, and it's going to inspire you to do good for yourself, to take care of your health, to have that all your material things be well, like money, home, and food, and all of that be sorted for you. You will be inspired to also give importance to this. And I say you know a lot, but you know what again, I show up every day, and slowly my skills are refining. So I'm really good, like I'm really proud of myself, and I do acknowledge my sometimes I say a lot, sometimes say a lot and all of that, but that will be refined. But I know my message has power. it lands to you, it inspires you in some way. And to book a one-on-one session with me, link is in the description. I would love to support you. I love to hold a safe space for you, to meet your grief, to meet your anxiety, to move through fears and low self-worth and all of that. Comment down below how this video helped you, supported you. I am here for you. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel, share it with your loved ones. They definitely need this positivity as well that you just received from me right now.